Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a discount or coupon code to your Payhip store. This is a great way to attract new customers, reward loyal ones, or run special promotions that can boost your sales. First, you'll need to head over to payhip.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so you can access all your store settings and marketing tools. Once you're logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Marketing. This section is where you'll manage all your promotional activities, including discount codes, affiliate programs, and other marketing features that help you grow your business. In the marketing section, you'll see an option to add coupon code. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the coupon creation interface where you can customize all the details of your discount offer. Now you'll see a field labeled Apply Coupon to with a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down and you'll see two main options, total order amount or specific product. If you want the coupon to apply to the entire purchase, choose total order amount. But for this example, let's select specific product, which allows you to target a particular item in your store. After selecting specific product, you'll be able to choose which product you want the discount to apply to from another drop-down menu that appears. Next, move down to the coupon code field. This is where you'll type in the actual code that customers will enter at checkout. For this example, let's use tutorial 2026. Make sure it's something easy to remember and relevant to your promotion. Now you need to define what kind of discount you're offering. Under the Type section, click the drop-down menu. You'll see two options, percentage discount or fixed amount discount. If you choose percentage discount, you'll enter a number like 20 for 20% off. If you select fixed amount discount, you'll input a specific dollar amount that will be deducted from the price. Choose whichever works best for your promotion and enter the corresponding value. Below that, you'll find advanced options. This section gives you more control over how and when your coupon can be used. You can check the box for limit the total number of times this coupon can be used if you want to cap how many people can redeem it. There's also set start date for coupon and set end date for coupon, which are perfect for time-sensitive promotions. If you want to encourage larger purchases, enable require minimum purchase amount. You can also add notes for internal tracking or use bulk create coupons if you need to generate multiple codes at once. Select whichever options fit your campaign. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click Create Coupon Now. Your coupon will be saved and ready to share with your customers. And that's it. You've successfully created a discount code for your Payhip store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.